Good morning. Thank you for calling FBS Department. This is Edelyn Reyes speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to make an order for breakfast.
Can I have your name, please, and your room number?
My name is Rosie and my room number is 16.
Can I take your order now, Ma'am Rosie?
Sure, I want to order hot dog with egg and rice.
Okay, would you like to try our best-selling champurrado, made with Goya chocolate and have fresh milk?
No, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just repeat your order. You order hot dog and egg with rice. Did I get it right, Miss Rosie?
Yes.
Your total bill for this is 350. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Cash or card?
Cash.
Okay, I will bring change for your bill, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will take for 30 minutes. Thank you for calling. Is anything else, Ma'am Rosie?
No, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day. Bye. FBS Department. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Adrian. Here's your room service order. May I come in?
Sure, come.
Hello, ma'am. Where would you like to set up your food? Shall I leave the food on a trolley or should I transfer the food on your table?
Transfer it, my table.
Please wait, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Here's your food.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Your food is already set. If you're ready to eat, should I serve the coffee for you?
Yeah, sure.
Please wait again, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, here's your coffee. Okay, ma'am, I would like you to inform that we have a Zumba event later at 7 p.m. located at gym. You can join if you want. Is anything else I can do for you?
Ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. Shall I present the bill for you, ma'am?
Sure.
Okay, ma'am, this is your bill. Okay, ma'am, I received 1,000 pesos and your total bill is 350 and your change is 650. Is anything else, ma'am?
None.
Okay. Please sign this acknowledge receipt. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. If you're already done eating, please call F&B department to clean your table. Have a nice day. Enjoy your meal. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.